Hello bitches, hey guys, welcome back to part 2 of my Supernatural 1407 reaction. If you haven't checked out part 1, make sure you click the link in the description box below. And let's just continue back into this episode because Dean is teaching Jack how to drive and it is everything I ever wanted. Thank you, let's just continue. Oh my god.
I'm using 1 foot, not 2.
No, I'm so proud.
Yeah.
Oh, you're drifting, honey.
Let's keep it in between the lines.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is so cute, look!
It's like I'm you! Eyes on the road.
Oh, look, stop it! Oh, look, invented driving.
This is the best day ever!
I know.
Yeah, he was pretty rough on Jack at the beginning and
Then he grew to love him.
lost people. We've all lost people. But, this feels different.
You die. I know, exactly. It's their son.
Losing, a son.
Oh my god. It's one thing for me to say it, but for them to say it, for Cass to say son, like, okay. This episode is gonna kill me.
Feels different.
I know. If he dies, I swear to fucking God. Wow.
I can drive. Yeah, you can. I've kind of got an idea.
What is it? Why is he nervous?
Remember you?
Yeah, you do. What is he hiding? Are they fishing together? Oh, wow. Yep. This is gonna kill me.
Once told me you and your father did the exact same thing.
Oh, stop.
Your happiest memory of him.
Oh, so he wanted to go fishing and make it his happiest memory. I'm fine.
It was how you said it. I could tell.
I love him.
I miss more time with you. I'm getting that life isn't all these big, amazing moments like this.
Well, who'd have thought hanging out with me would make you sentimental?
I've had a good life, Dean.
No, you've only been alive for like a year. I love Cass's car. Oh, bitch, who are you? What?
He's in a pretty pickle.
But they can save him,
What you're
yeah?
telling me is right. His condition is dire.
That's rude. Don't tell that to
Do
me.
you think it's reversible?
Yes, I am. Is that Angel Grace? Archangel Grace?
Vintage.
How does he have it?
From Gabriel.
Oh, okay. Oh, bless.
For my homebrewed cloaking spell. He used it to hide away in Monte Carlo.
With porn stars, yes, I noticed.
Oh.
It's going to cost.
Yeah. I want to know.
Don't insult me. I never take money. Tell the Winchesters they owe me.
Oh, no. Now something's gonna happen in the future episodes, and he's gonna come and collect or some shit. That's gonna be at the most worst possible time, but it's okay because Jack's alive.
It was a cop.
Oh, it was him, was it?
When he told the cops what he saw, like they were protecting one of their own.
Yeah. That's
What
alright.
does any of this have to do with me?
Could you fucking kill his family? Maybe.
Your wife
Wait, what?
called the precinct. Thought she heard a prowler. This guy. There's this guy.
Who?
Said his name was Abraxas.
Abraxas.
The next thing I know, I'm back in the patrol car. My wife's twin.
Oh, did he possess him?
And my baby's gone. That night, I wouldn't kill anyone.
He was possessed, I forgive him.
I know. But this was the hand that murdered my hand.
Oh, really, Nick? Are you kidding me?
Still you.
It wasn't actually. Nick, are you freaking serious right now? At least his story's gotten more interesting now with Abraxas.
So we're still not certain this is gonna work?
It has
We're
to.
not certain, but
You ready, Jack?
Yes. It's so beautiful, it's so pretty. Yes, come on! It's gotta work, it has to. He's gonna have his powers back. That's my son, everybody!
Something good.
Well, did it work though?
I think so.
Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Lords. They made me go through this emotion. I'm glad they did, because like I was crying. It was good to cry. But like, I'm glad he's back, and Gabriel saved him. Thank you, Gabriel. We love him, okay? Gabriel is always my favorite. Oh my god. Thank you, Gabriel, for saving my entire life.
Definite improvement.
That's right.
It's great.
Oh, Pit! Bitch, really?
Did you say the words right?
Oh, no. Oh my god, I take everything back.
Of course we followed the instructions, and Rowena performed the spell exactly in schools.
Piss off.
Jack isn't just another sick kid.
That's right.
This is the son of an archangel of the Lord who...
It is sometimes trial and error.
Piss off, you idiot!
Victory through experimentation.
This was an experiment.
Oh, fuck off.
If Jack dies,
Yeah.
I will find you.
That's right! That's me too. That's right.
You can try it.
I'll piss off your shaman, shithead. Is he gonna pray?
I like doing these things.
Oh my god,
I want to stop.
I'm not shocked though.
I'm bonded to you and what you are.
What the hell?
I want it back.
What?
I don't want to feel now what I didn't feel then.
What? Is this... Are you telling me that all they did, Lucifer is still alive, he was Okay.
Life, all of it, is a risk. Jack knew that. You did more for him than any of us.
Stop.
Watch over him. Stay by his side
Hold on.
as he dies.
No. Is this guy... Are they going to do a thing like Dragon if they drag this out the entire season? I swear to God, because you know he's like in a coma kind of thing, so like to write him out of the show for a little bit. No. I don't want him to like be like this. I need him... Oh my God. What's happening? Are you serious? No. Oh my God, bitch. No. I don't approve of this at all. What? They put me through that emotional episode, not knowing whether he's gonna live or die, to find out he's probably going to die. Oh, bitch. But, oh my God, I have so many questions, though. So, like... Okay, we have two ways to save Jack. Michael's grace and Lucifer's grace, because apparently Lucifer's fucking alive. Or he's getting resurrected, or like, I feel like the darkness, because he's I kind of get it, because Nick is bonded to Lucifer, like, he's big, you know, it's, obviously he wasn't going to revert back to his old self straight away, like, please. Like, so, I'm guessing, somehow Nick has resurrected Lucifer, because of the bond they have, I don't know. So, if Lucifer is back, unfortunately, can they use his grace to save Jack? Or give the grace back to him? Because it was his grace anyways. Or can they use Michael's grace because that thing that Dean was was happening. I think that Michael was listening in to what they were saying. He's still inside Dean, which I always thought this anyways. So, okay. I just pray that they don't drag this out all season because I'm gonna be so pissed. They better conclude this story and make Jack better before the end of the year. That's all I'm saying. Otherwise, I'm gonna be very angry. So, overall, that was actually a really fucking good episode. I really loved it. Even though it got emotional torture, it was good. I love Dean and Jack bonding. I think Dean Diz new word. He does feel guilty because he was terrible to Jack at the very beginning, but now he's grown to love him as a son, like Cass said. So him teaching him all these things was so cute. I loved it. But like, oh dude, you can't do this to me. I can't handle this. I need him okay. Anyways, that was my reaction. What did you guys... And who is Abraxas? Holy shit. Lucifer, Nick's storyline has gotten so much more interesting. I gotta commend Mark Pellegrino on that final scene, because I felt that. Like, that was... Oh my god, the poor guy. Like, holy shit. So, what did you guys think? Let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you guys next week for another round of reactions. Thank you for watching. I love you guys. Ciao for now. Bye!